Mwahaha. Hey guys. Okay, so you're looking at my gorgeous blanket. Yeah. That's all I wanted to show you. I just wanted to come on here and show you how cute these spiders are. They're little cobwebs. I'm just kidding. You know I'm kidding. There's something under there. And I'm not sure what to call it exactly. It's a project. But yes, it is a reborn. So, this baby is going to be the, I forgot what I was going to say. Forgot what I was going to say. I need coffee. Okay. I'm going to remove this blanket because I have no idea what I was going to say. Oh, the baby is not new to the nursery. This is actually a baby that I had. But when I got this baby, it was just in a kit. It was already a painted kit. It was already painted. It just needed to be sealed and glossed. So that is, and of course put together. So that is what I have done. I have sealed and glossed and put the baby together. Are you ready to see the Halloween magic? Should we go? Here we go. Do you remember this baby? Does it look familiar? Here's this little passy. Oh, I'm blocking the light. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna try. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay. You recognize the hands? I think you've guessed so far that yes, this is an alternative baby. You saw the peak? This is the passy clip that I have made for this baby. There's the passy clip. Already dressed for the occasion. Ugh. Drank so much. Oh my goodness. So, all glossed now, the toes. All bloody and glossed, just like they're supposed to be. Y'all know what this is, right? Y'all remember my vampire baby? Yay, he's all put together. He's all glossed and sealed. I think it's funny. I have that I got to do like the end preps on him. It was really cool. So there he is. And he does have a name. Yay! I've been having a hard time with names. So the fact that he has a name is a miracle. It really is. I wrote it down. Hold on. Okay, I wanted to get my paper so that I could say this right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. We have royalty in the house because his name is Lord Grimwald Fangton III. I'm sorry, this makes me giggle. I love it. I love his. I couldn't help it. When I called him Grimwald, I was like, I feel like I should be calling him Lord Grimwald. So, I am. That's just gonna be his whole name. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. It just makes me giggle. I've been watching way too much Downton Abbey. I felt like you should be announced and everything, and like he needs a top hat and tails. I want. Is this just a? Yeah, he. To me, I think his little onesie would have tails. Like, this is his formal attire. I mean, how else would I announce him? Like, look how cute. He has a little scratch over here. Really cute. And he's got pink and red eyes. He's so cute. I just love him. And he's not like super creepy. I think he's perfect. And I have had a lovey for him for a while. So, here's his little lovey. He's a little vampire. I found him last year. So, I only paid like 10 cents for him because it was after Halloween and everything. So, yeah, he's been in pieces for a while. Because I had to gather my materials and get up enough courage to seal him without, feeling like I was going to mess up any of the paint. So, I didn't. He's all good. He's all sealed. And I'm going to call him Grimwald, but his whole official name, Grimwald Finkton the Third. Anyways, so what was that? Don't do that. It scared me. It's so soft. I love his little vampire guy. There's his little lovey. Yeah, his passy has been made. His bottle's been made. It's just him. We were just waiting on him. Or should we say me? We were waiting on me. He has the coolest hair. It kind of looks snakier at the back. But then he's got the cute little hair around the sides. I glossed his ears. His ears are glossed. But yeah, guys. My little vampire born on Halloween. Happy Halloween. One, two. I love Sesame Street. Okay, guys, I'm done playing around. And welcome my new little vampire baby. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.